Hello there and welcome to this new video. So now you can do it. You can connect Sdl 2019 to Wordfast Server. So you can be connecting to remote translation memories on Wordfast servers that you are managing or that somebody else will give you the URL to access to. So this is very useful. Of course, to do it, you need to download the plugin from the Sdl App Store. I've put it there for you, and I will put a link to this direct download in the video description. On the plugin page on the Sdl App Store, you can find as well the manual. So if you want to refer to it, you can, as it goes into also a troubleshooting elements. So this is a free plugin. I hope you enjoy it. Once you download it, just double click it. It will install in your Sdl 2019 and you will be good to go. And this quick tutorial will show you how to use it. I hope you enjoy. So here in projects, you have your project here. Go to project settings. Okay, this is where this all happens. Go to language pairs here and select the language pair that you wish to connect the plugin to. And then go to translation memory and automated translation. You may have to tick that box here. So if you do, tick it and click on yes. And now this is in this spot that we will be adding the plugin. So you need to go to use and open the drop down and select simple WFS connector. That will open the connector dialog, which is this. Check that your language pair is correct. Do not ever touch relay address unless you know what you're doing. And in here, just copy paste the Wordfast connection string that you have, which is the URL. And then you will have to click on test connection. Test connection will, on the first time, install Wordfast Server Relay, or it will open it if you click on it. I suggest you pin it to the taskbar, as you need to open it every time you're using this plugin. So please pin it to your taskbar to open it. Once this works, you will see this connection successful. Click on OK and accept. Now you need to have all this ticked up to work, and update is basically right. Also. So if you want to be in read-only mode, do not tick update. So now we go into our editor to see how it works in a translation. You see simple WFS connector is connected and we are already getting hits in our translation memory. So we can see here our fields. We can see that when we open a different segment, we can get hits if something is in the translation memory. And of course, when you go to your settings, and you will be able to have your search steps and all these things to your needs. But if you don't touch anything, of course, you will see all the hits, as it is the case for this file here and the translation memory. So now if we want to make a concordant search, let's take walk, for example. In here, we get the results. And as you can see, it is very fast. So you get very fast results. And here are all our concordance results. Pretty cool. So that's it. As you imagine, a lot of efforts have gone into making this plugin and making it available for free. So if you want to show me some support for that, please subscribe to the channel, share the link. And if you know folks that are interested in using professionally Wordfast Server, there's a link in the video description to my pros.com profile. So you can connect with me if you're interested in acquiring Wordfast Server. And if you need any help on setting it up, hit me also in a message. And of course, you can post questions and comments should you have them. And so I hope you enjoyed, and I look forward to another video showing you what you can do with Wordfast Server. So that'll be coming out soon. So make sure you're subscribed not to miss it. Bye-bye for now.